The science of physics asks questions about the way things work, here on Earth and in the universe beyond. Physicists have discovered some extraordinary answers, and come up with some theories. Here are 10 ideas that are out of this world. Number 1. Everything is made up of atoms. You are made up of countless trillions of atoms, of many different types. They are very small. 500,000 lined up in a row could hide behind a hair. For centuries, scientists thought atoms were indivisible and the smallest things possible. Number 2. We now know that atoms are made up of tiny particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons clump together at the center of the atom to make the nucleus, and the electrons whiz around it. Most of an atom is empty space. An atom the size of Earth would have a nucleus the size of a football stadium. Number 3. The protons and neutrons inside the nucleus are made of even tinier particles, known as quarks. A quark is super small and comes in 6 different types, called flavors: up, down, top, bottom, strange, and charm. The science of the smallest things in the universe is called quantum physics. Number 4. One of the first real scientists was an Italian called Galileo. However, some of his new ideas about the universe did not go down well, particularly with the Church. The theory at the time was that the sun went around the Earth. When he wrote in 1632 that in fact Earth orbited the sun, he was imprisoned. Number 5. Born in 1642, English genius Isaac Newton realized that there were invisible forces at work in the universe, pushing and pulling and making things move. He was the first to describe how forces work in his book about the laws of motion. Newton discovered and invented many other important things, including the cat flap. Number 6. British physicist Peter Higgs has a particle named after him. Along with other scientists, he felt sure there was an unknown particle out there giving other particles their mass. In 2012, experiments in a particle smashing machine called the Large Hadron Collider revealed a new particle, now known as the Higgs boson. Number 7. Super genius Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955, had ideas that were mind-boggling. For example, that time can slow down, space-time is curved, gravity is a distortion of space and time, and nothing is fixed except the speed of light. Ideas like these are called theoretical physics. When he wasn't working, Einstein liked to play the violin. Number 8. Light is another mystery of physics. It's the fastest thing in the universe, and weighs nothing. We see it all the time but can't see what it's made of. And it doesn't always behave in the same way. Sometimes it ripples like a wave. Other times it acts like particles. Even the biggest physics brains are still baffled. Number 9. Physics is the study of matter and energy, which were created in an explosive Big Bang about 13.8 billion years ago. As things expanded and cooled, elements were formed and clumped together to form stars and planets, life on Earth, and eventually you. The elements needed for life are made in stars. Number 10. When theories of physics are put into action, they are often easier to grasp. In 1961, for example, Russian astronaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human to escape the force of Earth's gravity and travel into space. At speeds in excess of 17,000 miles per hour, 27,000 kilometers per hour, he orbited Earth for 108 minutes. Gagarin hadn't told his mother where he was going. She found out on the TV news. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.